सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। Welcome to online classes, my dear students. Yesterday I was discussing about the new pattern for the examination. As you know, in the first term, what CBSE has mentioned that it is going to have 50 MCQs. What are all the MCQs we have discussed yesterday? Sandhi, Samasa, Vyas, Pratyas, these are all things. So in that, if you observe, only three main questions are left for the textual questions, textbook questions. Remaining all are grammar points. That's why you might be wondering in the monthly tests why I am asking you frequently the grammar. What I have asked you, CBSE has suggested the same. So that's why, so it will be helpful for you. And today I am going to explain you internal. You have 10 marks. What are all the things are required to get good marks in the internal? First of all, nothing to worry. As Shankaracharya tells, ko guruhu, when the question is asked, ko guruhu adhigata tattvaha shishya hitayodhyataha satatam. Shankaracharya tells so nicely, who is teacher? Adhigata tattvaha, one who has studied very well. But studying not enough. Shishya hitayodhyataha, he should be always doing good for the students. CBSE is also indirectly telling us the same thing. It always tells, please encourage the students as much as possible. Never discourage them. So never make them to feel bad for that. But it doesn't mean that the God gives you the food, but not in your mouth. At least you should get up and have it your food. Okay, that's what. Let us see how the internal marks are given. Prathama Satrantargatam Antarika Mulyankanam, internal assessment for the first term. Uddeshyani, the aims are given clear. Chhatranam Srujanatmakatayaha Vikasaha. Srujanatmakata, creativity. We should improve the creativity of our students. That's why I am telling you, when the sandhis are there, please look into the names of your relatives. There you can find the sandhis. Any names are there in your classmates, can you make the samasas there, like that? Shravana bhashana patana lekana kaushalanam vikasah. To learn the language, four skills are very important. LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. LSRW: reading and writing. चिन्तनक्षमतायाः आत्मविश्वासस्य च संवर्धनम्. Chintanakshmata, your thoughts should get polished now. You should have very good thought processing now, and you should be very confident. These are all the aims. To achieve these aims, what we are going to do in the internal assessment, let us see. Gatividaya. First, Avadhika Pariksha, periodic assessment. That is Lekana Pariksha. First, you will be having periodic test. So, that is written. This will be taken, these marks will be taken 2.5. Understood? It is more than your performance. Mathematics is playing here. You may be writing for the 50 marks, it will be converted into the 2.5. So your real marks in that is 2.5. For that, you will be writing for 50 marks or whatever the school suggests. विद्यालयेन समये समये लिखितपरीक्षाणाम् आयोजनं करणीयं भवति. The schools must organize writing written tests in between. But here, see, मूल्याङ्कन बिन्दवः, how it should be evaluated. परीक्षासु यत्र विद्यार्थिनः श्रेष्ठाः अङ्काः स्युः तयोः द्वयोः परीक्षयोः एव आधारभारः गृहीतव्यः. Where you have performed very well in the best two of your performance. So not that your worst performance should be taken, your best performance should be taken. अपि च आवधिकपरीक्षासु अपि प्रश्नेषु आन्तरिकविकल्पाः देयाः. So it is telling that even the internal exams we must give you options, but without options you have written no. शब्दार्थेषु मया विकल्पाः दत्ताः. मूल्यांकनसमये यदि छात्रः सर्वान् प्रश्नान् उत्तरति तर्हि छात्रहिताय यत्र अधिकाः अङ्काः सन्ति तेषाम् एव मूल्यांकनं करणीयं. How beautifully NCERT is telling us. So CBSE tells us while correcting where the student has done extremely well, there we must give the मूल्यांकनं complete marks उत्तरन्ति तर्हि छात्रहिताय. Always keep in mind that it should benefit the student. एतत्तु भवतां ज्ञानार्थमेव वदन् अस्मि. अनन्तरं भवद्भिः मया किं कर्तव्यम् इत्यत्र संशयः न भवितव्यः. You should not have doubt that what I should do. So that's why you must know what should you do. Then second one is बहुविध मूल्यांकनम्. Many ways of evaluating, that is kakshayam patitasya pathasya, the way you read the lesson in the class. Nirgata patrani, so that means how you correct the letters. Prashnottari, in the oral question and answer. Maukiki pariksha, oral exams. In the class I will be taking, each one I will be asking the sandhis, samasas, grammar points, everything. Pratiyogitaha, competitions can be conducted. Prashnamanchasya ayojanam, quiz can be conducted. एवं कक्षायां पठितपाठस्य विषयस्य वा बहुविधं मूल्यांकनम् अपेक्षितम् अस्ति. So many ways you can conduct the exams for what you have taught. अनेन विद्यार्थिनां विविधकौशलानां मूल्यांकनं भवेत्. So in the exam you will be assessing only the writing, but in the class a teacher can assess the students in many ways. यथा मौलिकता, विषयसंबद्धता, शुद्धता, समयबद्धता, प्रस्तुतीकरणम. So these are all the things should be seen for 2.5 marks. Next, third one, Vishesha Suchika, portfolio. Vishesha Suchika, what is that? Kaksha Karyam, homework, how do you do? Samuhika Mulyankanam, together you can assess. Swamulyankanam, assessing themselves. Vidyarthinaha Vishayagataha Upalabdhayaha, achievements of the students in the subject. विद्यार्थिभिः कक्षायां कृतायां कार्याणाम् उपलब्धीनाञ्च संरक्षणं संयोजनञ्च सञ्चिकायां पत्रावल्याञ्च करणीयम्. See, this is very important. So there should be file maintained by each one of you. Whatever you write, whatever you achieve, for that teacher can give the marks. एतेन समग्रं मूल्यांकनं प्रामाणिकत्वेन भवितुम् अर्हति. When it is made in a file, sincerely it is done. सुलेखः, your writings. तथ्यात्मकता, precise. प्रामाणिकता, promptness. समयबद्धता, keeping the time. Next, अनन्तरं चतुर्थम् अस्ति भाषा संवर्धनाय गतिविधयः. how to improve the language. Shravana Bhashana Kaushalam. So listening is also important. Speaking skills also very important. Somebody telling the story or when the teacher tells how you listen. Samvadaha atava vartalapaha. Conversation. Conversation between you, or you can converse like one is like a patient to another fellow is like a doctor. Bhashanam, you can speak about the things. Natakam, you can do the drama. Vartaha, you can read the newses. Ashu Bhashanam, pick and speak. Samskrita Gitani, you can sing Sanskrit songs. See, if you are singing the songs in the class, it doesn't mean you are going out of the syllabus. It is also part of the syllabus. Shlokocharanam, shloka ucharanam. So the way you recite the shlokas, you will get 2.5 marks. Chhatraha kamapi katam shravaitum shaknuvanti. So students can tell stories. Shikshakah कमपि विषयं सूचयित्वा परस्परं संवादं कारयितुं शक्नोति. दूरदर्शने वार्तावली इत्याख्यः संस्कृतकार्यक्रमः प्रसारितः भवति. तं द्रष्टुं छात्राः प्रेरणीयाः. There is a वार्तावली, and we were very lucky that the last time our Sanskrit teacher C.V.S. Rao has written one song. It was telecasted in the auditorium. Anantaram श्रवणकौशलमूल्याङ्कनाय शिक्षकः स्वयम् अपि कथां श्रावयित्वा ततः सम्बद्धप्रश्नान् प्रष्टुं शक्नोति. To assess your listening skills, teachers can tell stories and ask questions related to that. Ucharanam, Chhatranam. Main benefit of studying Sanskrit is your Ucharanam. Clear pronunciation, Shuddhata, clarity, correctness, Samayabadhata, everything, time is very important. Prastuti Karanam, how you present. Aroha, Avaroha, Gati Yati Prayogaha. That means when shlokas are telling high pitch and low pitch, how you take, these are all very important. Now comes the writing part. लेखन कौशलम. लेखन कौशलम विविध विषयान अधिकृत्य मौलिक लेखनम. You can write paragraphs about different topics. Yatha, example, deshaha, my country. Mata, pita, guruhu, vidya, paryavaranam, yogaha, समयस्य सदुपयोगः, शिक्षा, अनुशासनम. You can take any topic and you can write. So you are very free at home. If you feel, you can take these topics or any topic you can write. So it can be an article as well as it will be an article for school magazine also. छात्राः यथाशक्यं कक्षायामेव लेखनकार्यं कुर्युः. So now kaksha nasti tasmat graham iti uktava. So yathashakyam, so these activities should be done in the classroom. Tippani pustikayah nirmanam, essay writing, you must have the points, noting down one special book. Vayaktika parikshanam, you can assess yourself. Vishaya sambandhata, when you write how much it is related to the subject. Shuddhata, विशेषतः पञ्चमवर्णस्य प्रयोगः. प्रथमवर्णस्य पञ्चमवर्णत्वे परिवर्तनं भवति. समयबद्धता, सुलेखः, प्रस्तुतीकरणं. प्रेजेंटेशन इज वेरी वेरी इम्पार्टेंट. अनन्तरं पश्यामः. शैक्षिकभ्रमणस्य संस्कृतेन प्रतिवेदलेखनम्. So when you go for the tours, that report can be written in Sanskrit. Dainandina Lekanam, Dainandina Lekanam, diary, what you have done, like that you can write. Sanketa Dharitam Katha Lekanam. Some words are given. Depending on that, you can write the stories. Bhittipatrikayaha nirmanam. As in our school, every classroom has a board. There you can write something creative. Shrutalekaha, we always do once in while. That is Shrutalekaha. I will be dictating and you will be writing. Almost every time we do it, I always dictate the words, difficult words and meanings and their grammar parts that you are writing. Sukti Lekhanam, some new shlokas where the morals are very high. Such shlokas you can collect by writing, you will be improving your writing skills. Avadhatavyam, you have to give stress on that. Notice उपर्युक्त गतिविधयश्च उदाहरणरूपेण प्रदत्ताः सन्ति. They are just for examples. एतत् अतिरिच्य एतादृशाः अन्यविषयाः अपि भवितुमर्हन्ति. Other than this, you can take any other tasks also. So today I have explained you how your internal assessment is done. भवन्तः जानन्ति एव अहं सर्वदा छात्रपक्षपाती. अत्र CBSE अपि एतदेव वदति छात्राणां हितम् एव अध्यापकेन चिन्तनीयम्. अहं सर्वदा भवतां हितं चिन्तयामि. तस्मात् पुनः वदामि, ये तत्र गृहेषु स्थित्वा लिखितुं समर्थाः भवन्ति लिखन्तु. यदि लेखने कष्टं भवति चेत् भावपूर्णं लेखनम् आनयन्तु. वयं कक्षायाम् उपविश्य परस्परं विचारणेन अत्र लेखनं सम्पादयामः. सर्वेषाम् अवगमनं जातम् इति चिन्तयामि. भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनं. यथाशक्ति स्वयं लिखितुं प्रयत्नं कुर्वन्तु, स्वयं पठितुं प्रयत्नं कुर्वन्तु. धन्यवादाः.